Let me show you how to make aloe vera hair growth treatment in combination with this oil that will make it very, very effective. I'm going to be cutting from the plant I already have in the house. So you can buy this on any fruit store or any plant store. It's available in those areas, should in case you don't know where to buy them. So I'm soaking this overnight to remove all those yellow spit you can see on top that is coming out. That is very bad for your hair. It will cause you more damage than good. So soak it at least 2 hours to make sure that all the yellow spit that is coming out all has come out. So I will soak mine overnight, then I will use it the following morning. So this is the morning of the following day. Now I've washed my aloe vera, the whole yellow spit. I call it spit because it looks like so the whole yellow spit has gone out. Now I will be peeling it to bring out the gel inside. So now I'm done peeling and bring out the gel inside the aloe vera. Then I will go ahead and pour it inside my blender and blend. Now I'm going to be using this sauce cap to trim out the blended aloe vera. Now I will be adding my oil inside the aloe vera. I'm making use of castor oil. The two combination work perfectly and boost hair growth. Then after then I will mix and mix and mix and make sure that it's wet mix. Then I'm going to be transferring the mix inside a easy application bottle to make it easy for me to apply on my daughter's hair. So this is our maize. Now let me show you how to apply it. So this is my daughter's hair. As you all know, I love working with session. So I recently take her braids down. Then because I blow dry her hair before blowing dry her hair, this combination is great for aloe vera, protect against sun and heat damage as well. So I will start applying it from the root of her hair, applying it from her scalp to the tip of her hair. Then I will massage the aloe vera gel inside her hair strands and massage her scalp, just the way you are seeing. And when I'm done with one session, I will move over to the next session. Yeah, and aloe vera is also good to detangle your hair. Aloe vera has numerous hair benefits. Let me put it that way. It has a lot of numerous benefits. This combination was the one I used from my daughter right from the age of 6 months old till now. I'm still using it once in a while on her hair. So as you can see, it also adds shine to your hair. Aloe vera has numerous benefits. Let me see if I can tell you some of the benefits of aloe vera. So aloe vera boosts hair growth, reduce dandruff, moisturize your hair, strengthens your hair. Also, it fights against fungal infection and so many more. It deep cleans your hair. Let me stop here so I explain this part. I will close it this way to leave it for 30 to 45 minutes before wash out and continue with your